Morning students, I will continue the next problems of these functions. One more theorem. If f maps x to y, comma g maps y to z and h maps z to s, h maps z to s are functions. Then h circle of g circle f is equal to h circle g of circle f will show that, right? Okay. Proof. F maps x to y, x y under m the function. Next, g maps y to z under g, and z maps means h maps z to s under h. Let it be this x f of x g of f of x, that is h of x. So like this, g circle f maps x to y. This is h circle of g circle of maps x to s, like this one. So combination of three functions, composite functions. Okay, proof. First of all, we'll see that one, LHS. H circle of g circle of x, h circle of g circle of x. This is equal to h of g circle of x. This is equal to, in place of circle take bracket, okay, finally this value is equal to f of x. So this is LHS. So RHS, okay. Right. Next, in place of circle take bracket. So this one. Finally, these two are equal. Therefore, a circle of g circle f is equal to a circle g circle f. Okay, students. So three functions are composite. F maps x to y and g maps y to z and h maps z to s are functions. Then h circle of g circle f is equal to h circle g circle f. Okay, first function x, y, z, s. So this is g circle f and this one is equal to h circle of g circle f maps x to s, and reciprocal converse also like that one. And means second function. LHS take h circle of g circle of x is equal to, in place of circle take a bracket is equal to x, and in place of circle also take bracket f. So finally I got h of g of f of x. This one here is h circle g of circle f of x is equal to h circle g, in place of circle take bracket f of x, h of g of f of x is equal to, therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Right? Depend on this one. See one problem. Example 26. Consider f maps n to n, natural numbers to natural numbers. G maps also n to n, and H maps n to n. Three functions are natural numbers defined as f of x is equal to 2x, comma g of y is equal to 3y plus 4, h of z is equal to sin z for all x, y and z belongs to n. Those are belongs to the natural number. Show that a circle of G circle f is equal to a circle G of circle f. That will show that. Okay. LHS is a circle of G circle f. Right. That if we take x, that implies h of G circle of x, then h of g of f of x taken. H of, what is f of x? F of x is 2x. F of x is 2x. Right. G of y, here in place of y, 2x is there. What is g of y? G of y is equal to 3y plus 4. That implies 3 y plus. Y plus what to substitute? 2x. 3y plus 4. 3y plus 4. This is equal to h of 3 to 6x plus 4. Next, h of z. H of z. Z plus 6x plus 4. That implies what will otherwise this here? Sine of 6x plus 4. Sine of 6x plus 4. This is LHS. Understand, students? First of all, h circle of G circle of f of x take. Then h take bracket of G circle of is equal to ax, and this can be written as h of g of f of x. First to take given f of x value is equal to x, keep here. And h of g of x means, but given is g of y. Given function g of y. Y plus what is there? 2x. Where y replace 2x, that implies 3 of 2x plus 4, 3 to 6, 6x plus 4, that implies h of z, sin 6x plus 4 is the LH answer. Okay, we will see RHS. What is RHS? RHS is equal to H circle G of circle X. This can be written as okay. Same value get. Otherwise, reduce to the take first of all this one. A circle G. What is f of x? F of x value is equal to 2x. Then g of 2x value. What is g of 2x value? G of means a 2y value. Therefore, 3 into 2x plus 4, that is equal to 6x plus 4. So finally, which of 6x plus 4? That implies sin z. Hz is equal to sin 6x plus 4. So LHS is equal to RHS. Clear? Depend on that. Three functions composition, composite functions doing like this. Okay. Right. Students, now we will see exercise 1.3. Right. First question, f maps some function and g one function given by f1 to write the g circle f. First question, let f is equal to f maps 1, 3, 4 to 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5. G maps 1, 2, 5 to 1, 3 given by, okay, and f is equal to function, f is equal to 1 to 3, 5, 4, 1. Right. G is equal to 1, 3, 2, 3, 5, 1. By arrow diagram or by the function. Right. Let's see what they ask question. Question is G circle F. G circle F. F is 1. What should be 1? G of f of 1. What is f of 1? F of 1 value is equal to 2. G of 2. G of 2 is equal to 3. Next. G circle F next 3 is equal to G of f of 3. F of 3. Image 5. G of 5. G of 5. That value is equal to 5 image 1. G of 5 value is equal to how much? 1. Next one. G circle F for 4 is equal to G of f of 4. What is f of 4? F of 4 value 1. G of 1 value 3. So finally, G circle F is equal to what is answer? 1, 3. 1, 3. Next one. 3, 1. Next one. 4, 3. This is the G circle F. 1, 3, 3, 1, 4, 3. By using arrow diagram also. That is subset to 1, 3, 4. 1, 2, 5. 1, 3. Under function F, under function G. Okay. For 1, 2. For 3, 5. For 4, 1. For G function. For 1, 3. For 2, 3. For 5, 1. So 1, G of 1 is equal to, this is G circle F maps A to C. G circle F maps A to C. So therefore G circle of 1, G circle of 1 means what? 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3. 1, 3. 1, 3. Next, this circle of mass ABC means 3. For G circle of F3 is equal to what? 3 to 5? 5 to 1. Right. Next, G circle of mass ABC or 4. G circle of F of 4 is equal to 4 to 1, 1 to 3. 4. So, like this, we find G circle of elements. Okay, students. Next, let f comma g and h are the functions from R to R. Three functions R to R. R to R. Three functions R to R. Real numbers to real numbers. Show that f plus g of circle h is equal to f circle h plus g circle h. F circle h plus g circle h. First of all, solutions. This is the complete. Okay. LHS. What is LHS? F plus g of circle h. Right? F plus g in place of h you take, this can be written as f of h plus g of h. Therefore, f circle h, g circle, right? This is the RHS. Second bit, f into circle h, f into g circle h is equal to f circle h into g circle h will prove. Now take LHS. F into g circle h, this is equal to f into g h, f of into h, g of into h. Therefore, f circle h into g circle h. This is the RHS value. So, like that, let given three functions f, g, and r functions from R to R, real numbers to real number. Show that f plus g circle h is equal to f circle h plus g circle h. And f into g circle h, f into g circle h is equal to f circle h into g circle h. LHS to RHS is also LHS to RHS, right? Next problem. Find G circle F and F circle G. Find G circle F and F circle G in first bit. F of x is equal to modulus x and g of x is equal to 5x minus 2. 5x minus 2. Okay. First of all, G circle of x is equal to g of f of x. Composite functions write like this one. What is f of x? F of x value is equal to mod x. G of x value is equal to 5 of x minus 2. This can be written as modulus of 5 of mod x minus 2. Right? Right. F circle G of x is equal to f of g of x. F of what is this value? 5x minus 2. This value 5x minus 2. G of x is equal to 5x minus 2. And f of x, this is considered as x. What is f of x? Mod x. That implies mod of 5x minus 2 times. Okay. So finally, this value of g circle is equal to 5 of mod x minus 2. So this value can finally write like this: modulus of 5x minus 2. Second bit. What is second bit? F of x is equal to 8x cube and g of x is equal to x to the power of 1 by 3. X to the power of 1 by 3. First of all, G circle f of x will find. G of f of x. G of f of x. What is f of x value? 8x cube. F of x value 8x cube. Okay. This can be written as 2x whole cube. No problem. Y means 2 cube means 8 x whole cube. So 2x whole cube means 8x cube. Now g of x. What is g of x? X plus substitute this value. X plus substitute this value. X plus substitute this value. That implies x is what? 2x whole cube. X whole to the power of 1 by 3. X whole to the power of 1 by 3. 3 cancel. That is equal to answer what? 2x. So therefore, this circle f of x value is equal to 2x. Now, f circle g of x. F of g of x. What is g of x? G of x is equal to x to the power of 1 by 3. That is equal to f of x. What is f of x? 8x cube. In x place, replace x to the power of 1 by 3. 8 as it is you write x place x to the power of 1 by 3 whole to the power of cube. Whole to the power of cube. 3 cancel. So finally this way. Okay. This is different value. This is different value. So finally, what to tell from this is a claim x is not equal to f circle g of right. Understand? First of all, this circle f of x is equal to g of f of x, right? Next, f of x value given 8x cube and 8x cube can be as 2x whole cube. Okay, g of x is equal to x whole to the power of 1 by 3. X place to write 2x whole cube. So 3 cancel. That is equal to 2x. Next, f circle g of x. F of g of x. F of g of x value x to the power of 1 by 3. X to the power of 1 by 3. Replace in place of x. X to the power 1 by 3 whole power 1 by 3. Whole power 3. 3 cancel 3x. So g circle f value is equal to 2x and f circle g value is equal to 8x. Next, fourth question. f of x is equal to 4x plus 3 by 6x minus 4, comma x not equal to 2 by 3, and x not equal to 2 by 3. Show that f circle f of x is equal to how much? F circle f of x. This is composite function f to f. F circle f of x. F of x. In place of circle, write bracket. First you write f of x value. What is f of x value? 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4. 6x minus 4. So this is as like x. F of x is equal to 4x plus 3 by 6x minus 4. This total value f of x. X plus total substitute in this x. Consider the total value is x. Now write 4 into x. X plus what? 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4. Complete 4x plus 3 whole divided by 6 of 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4 minus 4. Right? And this step is very important. F of x. X plus substitute 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4. 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4. Okay, understand? Right. Now take LCM. Numerator LCM is 6x minus 4. 4 of 4x plus 3 plus 3 of 6x minus 4 whole divided by, for denominator LCM, 6x minus 4, 6 of 4x plus 3 minus 4 of 6x minus 4. Understand? 6x minus 4, 6x minus 4 cancel. Now multiply 16x plus 12, 18x minus 12 divided by 24x plus 18, and this is 24x plus 16. This is equal to minus 12 plus 12 cancel, 16 plus 18. So total how much? 24. That is 34x. 24x cancel. 18 plus 16, 34. So 34 cancel. Yes. Okay. What will get answer? F of x is equal to this one. Therefore, finally, f circle f of x value is equal to what, students? X. F circle f of x value is equal to what? Answer? X. Right. Next, what is the inverse of f? What is the inverse of f? Right. Okay. What is f of x is equal to 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4. Inverse when it is exist, f is 1 1 and on 2. Okay, clear? Right. Now this is from R to R. Just given the function only, not the numbers. Find inverse. F of x can be taken as, let it be y. 4x plus 3. 6x minus 4. Then shift this side. 4x plus 3. This value 6xy minus 4y 4x plus 3. Okay. 6xy minus 4x 4y plus 3. x common. 6y minus 4 is equal to 4y plus 3. So x is equal to 4y plus 3 divided by 6y minus 4. So therefore this is f inverse y. So f of x is equal to y. X is equal to what? F inverse y, that implies 4y plus 3 divided by 6y minus 3. That implies f inverse x is equal to 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 3. Same answer. 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4. So this is minus 4. 6x minus 4. So f inverse x also value how much? X. F inverse x value is equal to also x. So this is the problem now. What is given first of all? F of x given. First they ask f circle f of x. F of x. F of 4x plus 3. So f of x value, where x substitute this total value, this one plus 3 divided by 6 of minus 4. Take LCM, find out this one, and next cancel. After getting this one, 16 plus 18, 34x divided by 34, that value is equal to x. Therefore, what is the f circle f of x is equal to x. Next, they ask find f inverse. So, okay, let it be f of x is equal to y. What is x is equal to f inverse y? This is the inverse. So, find this value y is equal to 4x plus y. Right, in terms of x, first of all, x as the subject. X is equal to 4y plus 3 divided by 6y minus 4. F inverse y is equal to 4y plus 3. That is in terms of y. So in terms of x, f inverse x is equal to 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4. Therefore, f inverse x value is what? X only. So means f of not x. F of x. F inverse x is equal to 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4. That is equal. That value is equal to f. Here f inverse is equal to itself f. So this is the problem, friends. Okay. Okay, remaining problem. Fifth, will do homework. Already explain how to find out inverse. First of all, it exists or not. Fifth problem. First to check out it is 1 1 or not. Then only inverse exists. Like that, 3 bits are there. 1 2 3. First to check it is 1 1 or not. Then inverse exists. Write inverse f inverse value. Okay. Next, I'll explain remaining problems in the next class. Thank you.